Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 10th standard CBSE Mathematics, Introduction to Trigonometry. We are doing exercise 8.4 children. 5th question, prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. First one, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Now see here children, in place of cosecant theta, I am writing 1 by sin theta because reciprocal, and minus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta whole square, right? Now we will solve LHS part. So let's take LCM here. Sin theta is LCM, and here in brackets 1 minus cos theta whole square. Right children, here I am just separating the brackets here. 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin theta whole square. Here 1 minus cos theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, right? I can write it like this, correct? Now sin theta whole square, that is sin square theta. What is sin square theta children? That is 1 minus cos square theta. From the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So that I can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now see this one, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta here. Now see this one here in denominator. This one I can write it as 1 square minus cos square theta. This is look like a square minus b square, correct? Now numerator I am writing as it is. And in denominator, this is a square minus b square, so that I can write it in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Correct children? So now I am cancelling this 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta here. So what are the remaining terms? 1 minus cos theta in numerator divided by 1 plus cos theta in denominator. So that we can say that LHS equal to RHS. So this is proved children. Now second question children, cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A equal to 2 secant A. Right? Let us start from LHS side. Cos A by 1 plus sin A here 1 plus sin A by cos A. Take LCM, 1 plus sin A into cos A here. Correct. So here 1 plus sin A already there in denominator. So cos A into cos A, cos square A plus here cos A is there in denominator. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square. 1 plus sin A whole square. Now see here numerator, I am writing cos square A as it is plus 1 plus sin A whole square. This one I can write it as a plus b whole square. A square, that means 1 square plus b square sin square A plus 2ab. 2 into 1 into sin A, anyway sin A. Right? In denominator same as it is 1 plus sin A into cos A children. Now see in numerator cos square A, sin square A here. What is sin square A plus cos square A? 1 plus 1 square is 1 here plus 2 sin A is here. Divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. This equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 sin A. Divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A children. Now take 2 outside common. And what are there in bracket? 1. If 2 is going outside means 1 is here plus 1 sin A, that is sin A. Divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So we can cancel this 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. What are the remaining terms? 2 by cos A. 2 into 1 by cos A I can write it. What is 1 by cos A children? It is secant A. So final answer is 2 secant A. Now check LHS and RHS. Here 2 secant A. So that LHS equal to RHS. It is proved, children. Third question, children. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. Here they have given a hint. Write the expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Very easy. Let's solve the LHS part first. What is tan theta? It is sin theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus what is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. Just reciprocal of tan plus cot theta. Cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Now solve the denominator part, children. Here sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta here. And here sin theta by cos theta. Plus here also same thing, numerator cos theta by sin theta divided by solve the denominator part. Cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta here. Correct, children? I am writing sin theta by cos theta as it is into this will be the reciprocal. Sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta in brackets plus this part cos theta by sin theta into this will be the reciprocal cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Correct, children? Now this will be sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus this will be cos square theta divided by in denominator sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta in brackets. Right, children? Now see in denominators, children, sin theta minus cos theta here and cos theta minus sin theta here, so that we can take common sin theta minus cos theta, right? So here I am writing, we'll take 1 by sin theta minus cos theta as common. So what are the remaining? Here sin square by cos theta is there. And here not plus cos square theta by sin theta. Here we are taking sin theta minus cos theta common. That means minus will be there. Minus into plus minus. So it will be minus cos square theta by sin theta. Right, children? So this is 1 by sin theta minus cos theta as it is I am writing outside. Now we'll solve this part here. Sin square theta into sin theta, that is sin cube theta, minus sin theta already here. So cos theta into cos square theta, it is cos cube theta, children. Right? Now see, this is like a cube minus b cube formula. Correct, children? That is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, children. You know the formula, right? So I am writing this one as it is. As per formula, we have to solve this one. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So here a minus b, that is sin theta minus cos theta into a square sin square theta plus cos square theta plus ab sin theta cos theta divided by here sin theta into cos theta. Right, children? Now see here. Here we have sin theta minus cos theta and here also sin theta minus cos theta. Correct. What are the remaining terms here? This equal to here sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by already sin theta cos theta here in denominator. Right, children? Let's divide this numerator in with denominator by sin theta into cos theta plus here sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta again. This 2 will get cancelled. Same, right? And here what will get cancelled means here it is 1. What is 1 by sin theta into cos theta? That is cosecant theta into secant theta. Now check our RHS side. 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. That's what here 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. So LHS equal to RHS, children. Now fourth question, children. 1 plus secant A by secant A equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. Let's start the solution. 1 plus secant A, that is 1 plus 1 by cos A divided by 1 by cos A. You know secant A is reciprocal of cos A, correct? Here first solve the numerator part. In denominator cos A plus 1 divided by here 1 by cos A as it is. Now write it as it is. Cos A plus 1 divided by cos A into this will be the reciprocal. Cos A by 1, correct? Now see here, children, this cos A and this cos A will get cancelled. What is the final answer? Cos A plus 1. Correct? But we want sin square A by 1 minus cos A in answer. See here, RHS side we have 1 minus cos A. Correct? Let us multiply this one with 1 minus cos A in numerator, in denominator, both. Right? So I am just rewriting the same thing again. I am changing the order. 1 plus cos A. Correct? This one I am multiplying with 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A again. Correct, children? If you multiply with the same number in numerator and denominator means value will not change, no? 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. This is like A plus B into A minus B. That is A square minus B square. That equal to 1 square minus cos square A divided by in denominator 1 minus cos A as it is. Correct? What is 1 square minus cos square A? 1 minus cos square A. We know that sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. From this we can write sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. Correct, children? So that's what I am writing here. What is 1 minus cos square A? This is sin square A divided by in denominator 1 minus cos A. Now check RHS side, sin square A by 1 minus cos A. So LHS equal to RHS, it is proved. Now fifth question, children. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosecant A plus cot A. Here they have given the hint, use the identity cosecant square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. This is the question, children. Here we need to get cosecant A and cot A, right? So here I am doing division with sin A in numerator and denominator also. See here, cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. Right? In denominator also, cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Clear, children? So that I can get here cot A now. Now write the numerator. Cot A minus sin A by sin A. This is 1 plus 1 by sin A. That is cosecant A. Divided by in denominator cos A by sin A. Again cot A plus sin A by sin A. This is 1 minus 1 by sin A. That is minus cosecant A. Right, children? Now it is in the form of cot and cosecant. Now see, children. Here in numerator we have 1. In place of this 1, can I write cosecant square A minus cot square A? Because cosecant square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. So 1 equal to cosecant square A minus cot square A, right? So in place of 1, I am writing cosecant square A minus cot square A. Let's write the numerator here. Cot A plus cosecant A minus, in one place I am writing cosecant square A minus cot square A. Right children? And denominator same thing, cot A minus cosecant A plus 1, right? Now see here, this is in the form of A square minus B square, so that we can write it as A plus B into A minus B, right children? So cot A plus cosecant A minus of cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A, because it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Divided by this one, cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. Right children? Now see here, cot A plus cosecant A here. Here also cot A plus cosecant A. We can write it outside. Take common cot A plus cosecant A. So here will be 1 minus, here will be 1 into cosecant A minus cot A. Same. It is cosecant A minus cot A children, divided by, in brackets, cot A minus cosecant A plus 1 in denominator, right? So this equal to cot A plus cosecant A. Here now multiply with minus children. In brackets, 1 minus into cosecant A minus cosecant A. Minus into minus cot A, it is plus cot A. Right children? In denominator same thing. Cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. Now check here children. Denominator cot A minus cosecant A plus 1 here. Here also in numerator cot A minus cosecant A plus 1 here. So that we can cancel this both. Right? So what is the final answer? Cot A plus cosecant A is final answer. Now check our RHS side. This is also cosecant A plus cot A. So LHS equal to RHS. Right children? Sixth question children. Root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equal to secant A plus tan A. See here children. Here root is there. Now we have to cancel that root. That means we want square inside, then only root will get cancelled, right? So I am multiplying numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin A again. So here into 1 plus sin A, here also into 1 plus sin A. Now see children, this will be root of 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. It is 1 plus sin A whole square. And here 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. It is look like A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. 1 square minus sin square A. That is 1 minus sin square A. Correct. Now we'll write separately. This one root of 1 plus sin A whole square. And this will be root of 1 minus sin square A. Correct. Now see here. Square root and square will get cancelled. What is there in numerator? 1 plus sin A divided by root of, what is 1 minus sin square A? We know that sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Correct children? Now this will be 1 plus sin A divided by, here also square root and square will get cancelled. Cos A in denominator. Now 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. What is 1 by cos A? It is nothing but secant A. What is sin A by cos A? It is tan A. Now check our answer, secant A plus tan A, here also, here also. So that LHS equal to RHS. It is proved, children. Now 7th question, children. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Right? LHS side. Now see here. Here we have sin theta. Here we have sin cube theta. Let's take sin theta common. So here it will be 1 minus here 2 sin cube theta. 1 sin theta is outside. That means 2 sin square theta will be here. Divided by here take cos theta common. In both the terms we have cos theta, right? So that's why I am taking cos theta common. So it will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. Correct, children? Now see here. This will be sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta 2 into, in place of cos square theta, what is sin square plus cos square theta equal to 1. In place of cos square theta we can write 1 minus sin square theta. In place of cos square theta I am writing 1 minus sin square theta. Minus 1 as it is. Now see here, numerator I am writing as it is, sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by denominator cos theta into 2 into 1. 2 minus 2 into sin square theta. 2 sin square theta minus 1 here. Now see, numerator is sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. In denominator cos theta into 2 minus 1, that is 1, minus 2 sin square theta. Correct, children? Now see here. Here also 1 minus 2 sin square theta and here also 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cancel. Now what is the remaining answer? That is sin theta by cos theta. Correct. What is sin theta by cos theta? It is tan theta. Now check our answer. So LHS equal to RHS. It is proved, children. Now 8th question, children. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Here we have sin A plus cosecant A whole square. It is like A plus B whole square, right, children? Just apply the formula A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A. Here also A plus B whole square plus cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. Right, children? Now just remove the brackets. Sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A plus cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. Correct, children? Now see the terms here. Sin square A plus cos square A. Correct? Now write together. Sin square A plus cos square A. Now see these two terms. Cosecant square A plus secant square A. Now see here. 2 sin A and cosecant A. 2 into sin A. Cosecant A is nothing but 1 by sin A. I am writing 1 by sin A here. Plus 2 cos A secant A. 2 cos A secant A is nothing but 1 by cos A. Correct, children? Now see here. Sin A and sin A will get cancelled. Cos A and cos A will get cancelled. Now write the answer. Here sin square A plus cos square A is 1 plus, in place of cosecant square A, I'm just using the identity 1 plus cot square A. Correct? In place of secant square A, I'm writing one more identity 1 plus tan square A. Correct, children? In place of cosecant square A, we are using 1 plus cot square A. In place of secant square A, we are using 1 plus tan square A. These identities we are using. Plus here 2 plus here also 2. Now add this one plus 2 plus 2. It is 5 plus, now remove the brackets and write 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A. Correct? Now 5, 1, 1. How much it is? 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, children. Correct? What is the answer? 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Check our answer also. This is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Right, children? So LHS equal to RHS. It is proved. Now 9th question, children. Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Here they have given the hint, simplify LHS and RHS separately. Right, children? First we will start from LHS side. Cosecant A minus sin A. Cosecant A is nothing but 1 by sin A minus sin A. Here secant A, that is 1 by cos A minus cos A. Take LCM sin A. In numerator we have 1 minus sin A into sin A, sin square A here. Here cos A is LCM. 1 minus cos square A in numerator. Right, children? Now see here. What is 1 minus sin square A? We know that sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A divided by sin A here. Now see this side, 1 minus cos square A. From sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1, we can say that 1 minus cos square A equal to sin square A. So here I am writing sin square A by cos A. Right, children? Now see here, cos square A into sin square A by sin A cos A. I am just removing the brackets. Now see, sin A is here and 1 sin A is here. Cos A is here and 1 cos A we can cancel. So what is the answer here? Sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A is answer here. Now we will check RHS side, children. This side. 1 by tan A plus cot A. Right. This equal to 1 by, in tan A place I am writing sin A by cos A. In cot A place I am writing cos A by sin A. One is numerator and here sin A into cos A is LCM. Right? Here cos A is already there. So sin square A plus here sin A is already there. Cos into cos, cos square A. Correct, children? Just invert this one. That is sin A into cos A divided by sin square A plus cos square A. Correct, children? So in numerator we have sin A into cos A divided by what is sin square A plus cos square A? It is 1. So now RHS side, what is the answer? Sin A into cos A, children. So we can say that LHS equal to RHS. So it is proved. Right, children? Now 10th question, children. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square equal to tan square A. See here children, the question is like 3 parts. So we have to solve separately. First we'll see this part, 1 plus tan square a, that equal to 1 plus tan square a, that is sin a by cos a whole square. 1 plus cot square a, cos a by sin a whole square. Right children? Now this will be 1 plus, I am just removing these brackets, sin square a by cos square a divided by 1 plus cos square a by sin square a. Correct? Now solve this numerator part. This is cos square a plus sin square a by cos square a. In denominator part, sin square a plus cos square a divided by sin square a. Now see here, cos square a plus sin square a is nothing but 1 and sin square a plus cos square a is nothing but 1. Right? That's what I am writing here, 1 by cos square a divided by 1 by sin square a. Just invert this fraction, 1 by cos square a into sin square a by 1. Sin a by cos a whole square. What is sin a by cos a? It is tan a whole square. Tan square a. See? Now first part finish. It is tan square a. Right children? Now we will solve the second part. Here 1 minus tan a whole square. I am just removing these brackets and distributing this square separately. 1 minus cot a whole square. Correct? Now this will be a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square is nothing but 1 square 1 plus b square is tan square a minus 2ab minus 2 into 1 into tan a. 2 tan a. Correct? Now see here, this is also a minus b whole square formula. That is 1 plus cot square a minus 2 cot a. Correct children? This one I am writing 1 plus sin square a by cos square a minus 2 sin a by cos a divided by 1 plus cos square a by sin square a minus 2 cos a by sin a. Correct? Now we are solving this part. Cos square a is LCM. So here cos square a plus sin square a minus 2 sin a cos a. Because only cos a here, one more cos a is there, cos a into 2 sin a cos a divided by here also. Now here sin square a is LCM. Correct? Now sin square a plus cos square a minus sin a already there. So 2 sin a cos a. Right children? Now see what is cos square a plus sin square a here. And this one, it is 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So that's what I am writing here. This equal to 1 minus 2 sin a cos a divided by cos square a into, just invert this one, sin square a by 1 minus 2 sin a cos a. Correct? Now see here, this is also 1 minus 2 sin a cos a and this is also 1 minus 2 sin a cos a. Now you can cancel these two. So what is the remaining thing? Sin square a by cos square a. That is nothing but sin a by cos a whole square. It is tan a whole square. It's nothing but tan square A. This is the end of this chapter, children. Please learn all the formulas and trigonometric ratios and identities properly. Thank you very much.